Hello lovely people, it's me and the one and only Gennaro Contaldo.
Yes.
And we are going to make the best, ultimate Italian burger.
It's the ultimate burger.
And we wrote this together.
Yes,
okay?
we
So
did.
we've got 3 cuts of meat here. We've got
Yes.
flank, we've got chuck, which is my favourite cut, a lovely mixture of meat and fat, added fat, quality fat, and aged trim, okay? So you get a lovely kind of umami sort of depth of flavour that's gorgeous. Now we're going to add a little bit of sourdough bread to this. We're going to blend it. Very simple. We're letting the flavour and quality of the meat come out. We're going to season it like a steak. These onions are just heavenly with many things. Thyme, bay leaves, loads of balsamic vinegar. This has had, guys, about 35 minutes, okay? So the patty is on, push it down. We want it imperfect. We don't want a perfect sphere. So, Gennaro, what are we going to do next?
Look at this lovely pancetta. Pancetta is actually...
Can I treat you like a pig?
Yeah.
The pancetta comes from round here.
Yeah.
So this is the pancetta here. We want a nice thick slice of pancetta, and we want the burger and the pancetta to cook in the same environment, okay? Because we've got lovely smokiness there. Turn that over.
Look at that.
We're using a griddle pan here, lovely people. You could absolutely use a pan. You could use a barbecue. I'm just going to cut this pancetta up a little bit, just so it's kind of more manageable to eat. Once we've got that really gnarly, crunchy, crispy outside on the burger, but it's still not quite cooked through, we put the cheese on top, wonderful Westcombe cheddar. Then we put a bowl on top. Now that kind of creates a little make-believe oven, right? So it just starts to melt that cheese. The bacon around it's still getting crispy.
Let's have a look.
When that cheese starts to melt, we can then put the wonderful pancetta on top. And we push this just to one side. So then we can just take this lovely brioche bun. It's crunchy and spongy and therefore soaks up the juice that's gonna come out of that burger. Let's build this burger. The lovely balsamic onions, heirloom tomatoes, then the patty with the cheese and the bacon, and then my favourite burger sauce. There you go, lovely people. That is the best, ultimate burger.
Yes!
And serve that with wonderful fries or polenta chips, a lovely little side salad. This is gonna be messy, bro.
I know, but it's so good. I
Shall-
can't help it.
sh-
Shall we?
yeah.
Shall we? 1, 2, 3. I know.
Oh, it's so good. That sauce is outrageous.
And the burger's not, look.
The burger's good, it's not overcooked. There is no polite way to eat this. The crew thought they were gonna get some. No way.
Sorry. So good. Last bit, I'm sorry.
So good. Sorry you had to watch us eat all of that. It was so damn good. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Tell us about your burgers. Tell us what you do. There's millions of you now, so subscribe, be part of the family. How good's that sauce?
Shall we give me the secret?
The secret is
No, watch the video.
we got the mayonnaise in there. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of French mustard, 2 teaspoons of ketchup, and then I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of gorgeous sun-dried tomato paste. It just tastes like sunshine. We want that in our sauce, okay? Then just the juice of about 1/4 of a lemon. We want that twang going in there, lovely people. And then the gem, about that much. If you finely slice this, there's a sweetness here that's incredible. You could use iceberg, by the way. Weirdly, it does maintain a crunch at the same time as going soft. I know, it sounds like I'm not making sense, but it does exactly that. And this kind of clings and absorbs the sauce, but also it stops the sauce kind of just running out of the burger. Then we're gonna go for the shallots. Now, you want a nice mild onion, finely chopped, and about a heaped teaspoon, like that. We got some lovely crunchy dill pickles, a little chunk That's going to give you that crunch, that acidity, that seasoning. It's going to be delicious. Now this is an exciting thing, right? Famous in Italy, mostarda di Cremona. It's hot. It's got a really unusual mustard heat. We're going to add some of that syrup, but also we're going to chop up just a little teaspoon of this lovely mustard onions. And you can source this in good Italian delis. Mix it up. It's as simple as that. This quantity here is enough to do 6 to 8 burgers. It will keep in the fridge for 2-3 days. And that's it, guys. The ultimate Italian cocktail sauce for burgers.